Hi, philatelic friends and stamp lovers. I am Nagraj here. I am 72 years old person. I collect stamps for the hobby's sake. Okay. I also collect in a thematic way, country-wise and different subject-wise also. I have uploaded nearly around 30 to 35 videos already on the YouTube on a different subjects, country-wise and all that. Now today I want to just cover one of the thematic subject called as Indian cinemas and Indian great musicians of yesteryear. I have few collections of that and I will explain to you each and every stamp when it is released and what is the theme behind it. Before that, let me just show you how I collect my stamps. Okay, these are all called as the stamp book. What you can see. Normally, I have got a lot of stamp books like this. Jacket over here. Take it out, and you can see how I have clipped the stamps over here. Okay, many stamps. You can keep on clipping the stamps over here. Okay. Similarly, for first day covers, I have taken just a flat file, nothing but a flat file, inserted a black sheet over that, and then I have put the first day covers. You can see a lot of first day covers jacket seen over here. Okay, these are the first day cover inside. I got nearly about 10 to 12 volumes of this. This is a volume 4, what you can see. A lot of volumes are there. So today's subject, as I told you, is on cinemas. Okay, I'll just cover a few of the cinema personalities as well as the great musicians of India. Okay, now I'm alone here doing the camera on my own. So let me bring the camera from there and start showing you how it is there. Okay, few minutes. Yeah, now you can see I have put all my stamps on the table. Okay, now you can see all my stamps on the table. One by one, I'll explain to you how it goes. Okay, here now you can see the stamps of what we call it as a Bollywood cinemas, as well as South Indian cinemas, as well as great musicians and cinema personalities of India. Okay, now in order to just explain very clearly to you, I'll just take a black sheet and then put it over here so that it will be easy for us to view the stamps when I place it over there. Okay, now I'll take the first stamp. This is a miniature legendary heroines of India. You can see the legendary heroines of India issued in the year 2011. Okay, you can see Devika Rani, Nuthan, Kannan Devi, Savitri, Meena Kumari and Leela Naidu. All these cinema actresses are from Bollywood, yesteryear, famous cine actors. Okay, now let me go to the next one. Now you can see lot of stamps over here. Lot of stamps over here. If you just I'll just assemble all the stamps and show you each personality. Okay, now you can see each personality. I'll just show you how it goes. Right. Okay, yeah. Now see, one by one you can see here. Okay, Hazarika. Bhupen Hazarika is one of the cinema yesteryear producer and director and all that. Now you can see Hemant Kumar stamp over here, and then Talat Mahmood. Okay. Manan De. Okay. Right. Geeta Dutt, Mukesh, right, Soundararajan, okay, Begum, Shamat Begum. Okay, now this is a single piece of stamps. I have even you taken this like your 4 quadrangles also. Kishore Kumar also you can see. Like this there are 4 quadrangle stamps also. Everywhere you can see the quadrangle stamps, which that is a 4 corner stamps, what I call it as a 4 corner stamps of all this. Okay, now you can see different 4 corner stamps of the same personalities, right? Okay, you can see that Muhammad Rafi stamp also over here. Along with this series, a miniature sheet was also issued called as the Legendary Singers of India. You saw the legendary heroines of India. Now this is the legendary singers of India. In this, you can see at a stretch, all on one sheet. Okay, this is called as a miniature sheet. Now, along with this, even first day covers were also issued. Individual first day covers are also there. You can see all the first day covers, individual covers like this. Okay, this is also one way of collecting. How about a lot like this? Okay, now now let me go to the next series of stamps. I just show you the what we call it as one more I have got a first day cover. So you can see the name of the person also over there. M.L. Vasantakumari, a great Carnatic music artist of India. Okay, now you can see the first day cover, a single stamp and a quadra stamp of that, right? So the next one would be yeah, he is also a great musician, Ustad Sabri Khan. Okay, this is the first day cover of Sabri Khan, issued in the year 2018. A nice first day cover of Ustad Sabri Khan. Okay, now you can see one more South Indian actor, great South Indian actor. He was given a doctorate degree also. He is Dr. M.G. Ramachandran, a Tamil cinema actor. Okay, nice. He has performed more than 100 cinemas during those years. Okay, this stamp was issued in 2017. Okay, now similarly there is one more South Indian great actor who we call them as Dr. Rajkumar. He has acted more than 150 to 200 films in South India and is known for all the Kannadigas. Now you can see a first day cover of Dr. Rajkumar. This was released way back in 2009 itself. Okay, so almost very few cinema actors stamps are released. So Dr. Rajkumar is one of the stamps released in a very early date. Okay, now there is an interesting a series of stamps. What you can see, I'll just show you all at a glance. These are called as the great musicians of Indian cinema. The first one, what you can see, a miniature stamp is Ali Akbar Khan. Okay, this is called as a miniature sheet of Ali Akbar Khan. Okay, this is called Gangubai Hanagal. Gangubai Hanagal. Okay, now D.K. Pattammal. A nice stamp of D.K. Pattammal. Okay, now Kumar Gandharva, a great musicians and singers of the yesteryear. Kumar Gandharva. Okay, Mallikarjun Mansur. These are all issued in the year 2014. You can see 2014. Mallikarjun Mansur. Okay, this is Ravi Shankar, great sitar player of yesteryear. Okay, now you can see Bhimsen Joshi. Bhimsen Joshi stamps are very famous. They have got a series of stamps of Bhimsen Joshi. Bhimsen Joshi, you can also see one more Bhimsen Joshi in a different fashion over here. Okay, you can see the Bhimsen Joshi stamp over here. Okay, and the Pattamal series also behind that. Okay, this is a miniature small stamps. Okay, now next one would be Vilayat Khan, a nice Vilayat Khan stamp. Okay, now along with this they issued the miniature stamp of all these people also. You can see at a stretch Indian musicians, very clearly written as Indian musicians. Okay, now it has got a first day covers also, nicely done on a first day cover of the Indian musician, which also I have collected. You can see a first day cover, Indian musician first day cover. Okay, all the stamps put together and stuck. Okay, now there is this type of collection also, quadrangle, four corners stamp collection, which I do. Okay, now individual stamps are also there of those personalities. You can see the individual stamps of those personalities also. Okay, now they released also a book on this Indian musicians, nice one. They have described on every sheet the theme behind the stamp. Okay, if you look at this, Ali Akbar Khan, a stamp here, and his singing history completely, right? Like that, this book contains all the musicians, yesteryear musicians like Joshi, you can see, yeah, okay, Pattamal, okay, here. And there's a stamp also inside the jacket over here. There's a jacket, and a stamp is also inside it and kept over in this book. Nice one. Yeah, I'll make it at a glance. Okay, nice one. At the end of the book also, there's a complete miniature stamp stuck over there. Right, this is one of it. And the next one in the series would be, let's see, this is a very interesting one. This is called as Indian cinemas, 100 years of Indian cinemas. You can see most of the film actors of the yesteryear done on that. See, Kannadasan, this is issued in the year 2013. Okay, Madan Mohan, Motilal, Mahmood, a famous comedian, Nagesh, a singer, O.P. Nair, music directors, R.D. Burman, Prem Nazir. This is one this thing. The second one would be Alu Ramalingaya, okay, Ashok Mehta, Bhanumati, Balraj Sani, famous person, C.V. Sridhar, Chetan Anand, Geeta Dutt, okay, Kamal Amori, okay, yeah. Now, Shami Kapoor, a great film actor of Hindi movie, okay, Shankar Jaikishan, Smita Patil, Suraya, T.R. Sundaram, Tarachand, okay, Utpal Dutt, a Vishnu Vardhan, a Kannada film actor, famous film actor, Vishnu Vardhan. Okay, now let's see, Raj Khosla, Rajendra Kumar, Rajesh Khanna, a famous actor those days, S.V. Rangarao, Telugu movie, see? Salil Chowdhury, Sanjeev Kumar, Shailendra Shakil Bhajiani. Okay, yeah. Now you could see beautiful series of Indian cinemas. Okay, that has some more also here. Okay, you can see Majura Sultanpuri, Naushad, Nitin Bose, Ruby Mayers, Raichen Paul, Prithviraj Kapoor. Fantastic stamp. Okay, Saurabh Modi, Tapan Sinha, and Yash Chopra. Okay, nice one. And here also you can see, yeah, Ashok Kumar, B.N. Srikar, B.R. Chopra, Devanand, a famous actor, Bipin Hazarika, Balji Padarkar, Dhirendranath Ganguly, Durga Kote, and then Harishankar, Harikesh Mukherjee. Okay. Nice stamps of yesteryear, and this is called as I told you, is the Indian cinema. 100 years of Indian cinema. This is the first day cover. Okay, you can see a lot of first day covers. Every this thing is a first day cover here. Lot of for each miniature stamp there is a first day covers on that. Okay, now you can see a lot of first day covers on these things over here. Okay, this is in nutshell the whole collection of the Indian cinemas, great actors of the yesteryear, Bollywood movie stars, and South Indian film star. Okay, this is a small collection. If you have liked my video, please subscribe to my video and say thumbs up. Okay, thank you.